Yeah, here I'll be showing you how to trade on Deriv, Deriv, Deriv trader. So of course, first things first, you're going to be opening our browser. If you don't know, I'm going to just give you the process. You just come here and then you click deriv.com. So here you're going to find this overview. Then you're going to come and try and log in, of course, to your traders hub, your Deriv trading platform. I was logged in, so it was easier to log in. So you can see here, this is my demo account, and we are going to start from here. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so here we are. This is our trading area, of course, our working space. And see, here is our bot already loaded. It's the dollar printer bot. Of course, if you need the bot, you can just come to my DM and I'll just offer it to you at a cheaper price. So as you can see, the bot is running. Currently, you can just see how the profits are coming into place. This is the trader. This is where you do your analysis. This analysis tool for Deriv. So you can see when you hit a loss, the martingale is increasing, and so the profits even increase even more. Now this bot, the thing I love about it is that the maximum number of losses can take, trust me, is 3 in a row. It can take 1 and recover, it can take 2 then recover, and it can take 3 then recover. Okay, as you can see here, this 1, 2, 3. Now the next run must be a recovery, and this is the over 4 market, is the market that I trade a lot. So I'm trying to just demonstrate because I don't want this video to be a financial advice video. That's why I'm not using a real account. If you need to use a real account, then go ahead, but make sure you do your practice back to back. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.